Babes, we're back with another video. So I just want to show you guys some new things that I did get. I ordered it off of Amazon. The Airspun Loose Face Powder. So I got this little maxi blush. I got some freaking 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my matte and poreless, the same one that I'm always using, you guys. I'm gonna go with the 355. Here you go, matte and poreless, even though they lie because I can see my pores. Not playing, but the matte and poreless powder foundation. Cause like this liquid one, it says matte and poreless. It's a little dewy and like a little greasy looking, if y'all can see. So, and this one really just like sets the tone for some reason. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow stuff, the norm. I have my little utensil here. It has the spoolie and an angle brush right there. And I just go in with this black eyeshadow, y'all. Nothing special. I don't do anything special with my eyebrows anymore. So the brows are done. Yes, I'm not like a big eyeshadow person. I don't even like eyeshadow like that, but I'm gonna do it or whatever and be extra. So what am I gonna do? Go with some little brown. Y'all, this is my go-to look. Like, I do brown before I do anything. Yeah. It's my regular. I'm talking takes for better. Takes for better. Wow, I created this look. I created this. This is beyond me. I think I did pretty decent for me to not really know how to do eyeshadow. Kudos to me. Let's go ahead and get started. My regular, I'm talking takes for better. Kudos to the girls that do their makeup every day, because I just couldn't. I'm excited. So it comes like a little thing right there. Taking it off for the first time. We're baking. This is my first time ever baking. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Y'all, I'm just looking at what I've been seeing other people do. So if you watch this, you might want to go watch a real professional video, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just going off what I've been seeing other people do. Anyway, so while that's setting, apparently, I think we're all, who's ever watching this, I think we're all the fucking same, because we're probably like, what was we supposed to do with that? Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some contour like on my freaking, when the heck am I supposed to set my nose? Cause like, anyways, but we're gonna go ahead and put some freaking, you know, y'all, I have my other contour thing and I just like have not been using it. I have like, I can't even speak on this. I'm gonna give it a little time before I speak on it, but I can't speak on it right now. It's like one of those things where you know somebody's watching your video, so it's like you can't speak on it right now, but when I know they're not watching my videos, I speak on it. Let's see how it looks. I'm like trying to work this out. Anyways, we're gonna try this little blush out and then see what it do. Y'all, I've been using like the same big brush for literally everything. it giving? This is like my worst makeup look, and I hate it right now. We're not gonna do no lashes. I'm probably just gonna put some mascara on. Let's spray this out because we look like a clone. Okay guys, so we're out with this video. I hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed this quick little horrible makeup video. Anyway, so I gotta stay tuned for the next video. Apartment update is coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that and many more videos to come. Bye.